Alright guys, welcome to Heidi's Homestead, and I'm going to do a quick potato harvest and see. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, look at that one. Okay, those are baby potatoes, and I forgot the name of these, honestly. Those are babies. Look at that, potatoes. I wish I would have left them to grow some more, but I was getting impatient, and I did this bag. All right, some more potatoes. Here's another one. Small one, but still good. Alright, I'm gonna dig some more and then I'll bring you back once I'm... Alright guys, this is the potato harvest from the 2 grow bags. I have 2 more, but I think I'm gonna hold on those. So this motivates me. I know it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. But this motivates me on wanting to garden some more. Next growing season, I will definitely tell my husband to build me a bed, and I'm just gonna grow potatoes on that bed, because this is worth it. Yes, it's little, but it's worth it. All right guys, this is the potato harvest for today. We got 2 more grow bags to harvest, but look at the colors on these potatoes. Look at this purple. Oh my goodness. Look at the purple with the white. That is just absolutely beautiful. And I forgot the name of these potatoes. I honestly don't remember, but I did do a video on them, so you can check on my video. But just want to show you the colors. Absolutely beautiful with the purple and white. Beautiful.